Hey guys, I'm Halin Kuslas to tell you in this tutorials how to stop internet access from any software in your PC or laptops. Particularly if you would like to block internet connections or internet access on any particular software, how do you do that? As we know that sometimes if you would like to use offline any software, how do you access to block internet access? So for it guys, what you have to do, suppose this software you would like to especially block the internet access. How that? Simply just we will type in a search bar control panel and upon, of course we will have to tap on it and upon here just to see here is internet and networks or networks and internet. Just to click on here and if I click here internet options, it's not saying any message, just we will back and we will come in a security and system and security where we have options Windows Defender Farewell. Just to click on it here. Here we have the options that is advanced settings. Yes, we will click here and upon here just we have an inbound and outbound rule. Inbound and outbound rule just we will have to customize. So how that? Firstly we will go in inbound here we will have to click here new rule here, this one, click on here new rule. Now we have option here to custom, just we will go for next. Here we will have to select this officially, so just we will go for customize. Here is not option given here, so we will click on this program path and we will go in the browser to we will come desktop. The software you will have to keep on a desktop. So now we have elected here, just we will go for next and upon here just we will go for next. Here we have the options that is any IP address, this IP address what you would like to, yes on this any IP address. So just we will go for next and upon here we have options that is the block the connections. Just we will go for here. Now here we will have to write a name of this, so simply we will click on here, we will go for rename and upon here just we will go for copy and upon, of course here just we will go for write, just we will go for write and upon, of course we will finish it. So this one has been blocked. Now once again we will go in advance and at this time we will go in outbound to new rule 2, of course we will go for custom 2 we will go for next 2 we will go for this program path. Once again we will come select to this one, we will go for next we'll go for blocks. It's already selected. Now we will have to type here, we will finish it. So we have done it. Now here we can give the internet connection and we will open it. Yes, it will not ask to any further notification as well as any updates. Obviously we can. So now we would like to have the internet connection. Simply we will go in open there and upon, of course we will come in advanced adapter changes. Just we will go for enable it now. So now it's enabled. So now see guys, it has been enabled and it has identified. Now it has been fully selected and internet connection is on. So this is a easy way you can block the internet access on any particular software guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine. And of course, if you found it has benefited to you in any way, then don't forget. Like, subscribe, and share of these concepts because it may be beneficial for someone who is highly curious to have this kind of information further from this channel, guys. Thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.